All right, too. We out here. Everybody setting up, just getting started. Oh boy, Julio, Kevin, got Charlie out here. We are in Connecticut. Got Johnny out here. He just woke up, so he's still on the rough side. We got Benji setting up. Got my boy Angel out here. Got Kyle. Got Trevor. Look at Trevor. He working hard today. He ready for the racing. All right, got my boy Mustang Matty over here. How you doing?
Dale Cody.
Yes. Okay. Hi. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
All right. Pleasure. Some people over here. How you guys doing? Main man. That's my main man right there. Got Chris. We came to his town today. Gonna try to see what happens. Gonna have some fun today. Definitely. Yeah. Thanks for having us. Let's go check out the track. Shout out to this good brother right here. He's throwing a charity race today. Shout out to him.
Hey.
That's for sure. We got Cody. You know Cody want to be the closest to the track. Huh? Yeah, so shout out to RC Madness. All right. So shout out to RC Madness. They built this track just for the drag strip. Check that out. Got my boy Miguel out here.
What's going on?
Dan, huh? How's it going? Good to see you, brother.
Same.
How's it going? Just looking at some of these cars out here. You guys came to race today, huh? It's the fellas right there. Yeah, that was the strip right there, man. They built that track just for the drag racing. Oh yeah, this mass right here, holding it down. Came to show that love. We got an on-road track out here. They got a carpet track and they got a dirt track on the other side. So all that in one, it's something I want right here. Call it the RC Fun Facility. Got Chris just made it. Yes, for sure. Thanks for coming out.
Got a little toy?
Yeah. You got a new toy? Okay. Everybody out here. Yeah, Charlene, how's it going? Uh-oh, you got some pretty cars out here now. That thing glistening. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, got the rock crawler going. Yeah, they got a course on. All right, guys, live coverage. Got them flavors out. It's getting ready. Weather's getting nice. Got some gentlemen over here. Let me go over here and talk to these gentlemen. I want to come talk to you gentlemen. You guys look pretty fast, man.
Yeah.
How's it going? Where you guys from?
From Southington.
Okay.
And
so you're from Connecticut?
Yeah.
We came from Mass. Okay.
2 Outlaws and 113.5.
Okay, nice. Got some
Yes,
nice
sir.
cars there. I like that.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes, for sure. Enjoy the day. Yes, for sure.
They're brand new. I just pulled them out.
Robbers. Everybody out here testing. Let me get it right. Oh shit. 13.5 cars is getting down there. Yep.
That's not a good sign. You fell down, the car went there.
Nice run. Well, look at the driver's stand right now. That's the line to get the test right here. No, you didn't red light. He didn't red light, no.
As soon as they hit yellow,
Nah, you was good.
ooh.
Ready, set, go. It's hooking. It was hooking.
the old race down and just stop it. And just, whoa! And just messing with the, George. Sticky on the burnout too. Didn't go anywhere.
Nice run. Nice run.
You can't steer when it's on the wheelie bar. You gotta let off of it so it can drive back down and then.
He know that. He know that. He's a driver.
I know too. I do the same thing. All the way down.
Roll out on them. I'm on red light. Oh, the first one was a trick, huh? Okay. Yeah. That right lane, huh? Talk to me. Who tuned that thing for you? All right, y'all. We standing in the line right now. This is a testing tune.
Traffic jam on 91 right here.
Yeah, nice event. I'm gonna take a walk back there in a minute. Let y'all see all the people around. Show y'all everybody what's going on. Slick track, it's brand new, so it's hard to get down there, y'all. It's gonna be a tuner's game today. You got the tune to get down. Yeah, we on the line. You see we moving up the line. We getting there. We almost there. No, it's a good day of racing if the testing line look like this.
Hey, put it in the beam and then pull it out when he's ready. Pull it back. There you go, right there. Colin, watch the lights.
You're good.
Ready? Watch the light.
Nice run, nice run. Nice, ooh, nice run.
Right now you get 3 seconds.
Well, my man made a smoke show just now. Did you see it?
Go forward. Go forward. See the red line? Just until it shuts down.
Oh, you still gotta keep it somewhat in.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have a actual staging beam with 2 inches of rollout. Ready? Here goes. Okay. That was my chair.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch the light.
I told you those are tires for the day, baby. Them the ones. All right, guys. That's what it's looking like right now. Got everybody out here still getting ready. Testing. Everybody's doing their thing. Angel, Benji trying to get right. And my man Trevor, Kyle. Got these fellas. Got good. These guys right here. And this kid right here, he's pretty fast. He's the fastest one I've seen today, right there. Yeah, let's go we're gonna take a walk to the other side, cause it's packed. My man Cody over here working hard. Got David, he didn't want to pit next to us. He's a fast guy out here. We got Dan. We got Chris. We got all these good fellas out here on the pit crew right here. They ready to get... You fixed it, Charlie?
I just had the ways to go.
I don't blame you.
How it work? Just stay in the line.
What?
You have to
Yeah, that's why. You know what the time it is when you see him, right? Oh boy, we in trouble today. We in trouble today. Yeah.
How you doing, my friend?
All right. Nice to meet you. Nice, yeah, good to see you. Yes, yes, yeah. And I had to come out here, you know, it's only right.
Time here too.
Oh yeah.
Today.
Oh, okay.
Perfect day.
Yeah. All right, see, they got this man out here working hard. You see, when you on the track, this is what you got to go through. When you running races, this is what you go through. It ain't easy, but you got to do it. Make the people have fun and enjoy. Where y'all from? I repping.
Bro.
Connecticut.
Springfield.
Springfield. They representing. They doing their thing.
Know,
Yeah. All right, look at this section over here, boy. You got Dirty Den in the building. They came out heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
I haven't looked at these guys yet.
How's it going, brother? Good seeing you again.
You going, bro?
Yeah. See, I got it set up real nice here. Okay. Whoa, it's a lot of people here. Look at this thing. Ooh, look at that thing. The super out there. Yeah. Look, fellas. Oh, wow. That just took the thumbnail for the day.
Trailer's badass, eh?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, I didn't even see that.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Oh, wow, that's a whole trailer right there,
Almost
guys.
stepped over these
Look
pieces
at that.
of concrete looking at it.
Oh, wow, this car must have came out of there, obviously, right?
That's too cool.
That's, yeah,
Even
that's...
got the toolbox in there. Did you see that? Look up in there.
Oh, let me get up in there. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look. I said we got ass in there too.
Yeah.
Right there on the wall.
Those straps. Look at that.
This is nice. I really like that. That's real nice, man. That's taking it to another level right there. That's what's up. Shout out to... What's your name, good brother?
Jeff.
Jeff. Shout out to Jeff on that. That was that's nice. I really like that. Somebody over there setting up. All right, what's going on, little man? And we got some people out here. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? All right. What's going on, good?
How you doing?
I'm all right, chilling. Came out to see everybody on this side. How's it going? Mr. Speed Monster. How y'all doing today?
Good.
What's going on, brother? Good to see you.
What's up, baby? How's everything going?
You know it, same old.
My God, my God.
Good brother right
Yes,
here.
sir.
The monster.
Y'all
8S. Crate wing.
What's going on, bro? Oh, my man.
Wrong size.
For real? Would you need bigger?
Small.
2.5. I'm gonna come back over there. I got you. Okay, y'all know this car. The famous cafe right there, you know? My boy. This you right here, right?
No, that's mine. That's my little cousin.
Oh, what? You got another one? I gotta watch out for you twice now?
I didn't bring my wife.
I watch out for the whole family. Oh, y'all got a nice view. Y'all get the big end, huh?
That's right.
Yeah, they get the big end. I should have parked on this side. I would get some nice big end runs. Charlie shit shut down again. Damn. All right, we just doing a little walk around. Get all the fellas, everybody that's here. How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, you know it. We've been on that side chilling over there. Good seeing you, bro. You know, he got them things ready. You know he don't play. He ain't ready. He play. He play. Look at these boys. These boys is not playing. 108, baby. They here to represent. My man Junior. You know what time it is. Them boys got them killers. CT in the place to be, baby. Yeah, we got some people over here. Looking good, looking good. Pull that thing out the trunk. Pull that thing out the trunk. All right. Yeah, it's a nice crowd. See, they got a dirt track over here. Dirt, doing dirt and stuff. It's a nice setup, man. Shout out to RC Madness. I heard it's sick inside. So before we even get, there's a carpet track over there. Got a stands, driver stands here for the track in there.
That's the rock crawler.
Yeah, they got a huge rock crawling course in the back corner. That's something we gotta look into, for sure. I gotta get my mask to go inside, so let me go get that and then we'll take a tour inside real quick. We've been practicing all day. That's what the line been looking like all day to test. So if you ain't getting right, you gotta get right. You know what I'm saying? Right. Back on the other side over here with the good people. Got two parking lots. They got 2 parking lots. Y'all believe that? Trinity is in the building.
I don't like people doing run-outs on my start line because I don't know what they're putting down.
Come my man Russ out here.
Testing.
Yeah. We out here. We trying, baby. We trying. Charlie, what happened? I see you shut down. Check her out. She working. Huh? Y'all don't see that every day. She working, baby. Get it done, girl.
You don't see that in my house.
Hey, that's who said that too. I hope your wife see that.
245. That's
Drivers ready?
That's good.
Get her mic, please.
Oh, I like yours. I like
That's a 13.5? No. Damn, man. I got to worry about that shit now. 13.5 in the left lane? Yeah. All right. I ain't got to worry about you.
Drivers ready?
Backwards, bro. I never seen that. Look how he hold the remote. Never seen that. It's crazy.
Drivers get ready. Drivers ready. Oh, you're over.
You're good.
You gotta bring it up so it turns red and back it up.
Drivers get ready. Drivers ready. Ooh.
I didn't even see the crash.
He hit that fast.
They have to soup up the wheel thing.
I got that on camera too. I'm putting that on the video. That was a good one. Let's scoop up the wheel thing. I like that.
Drivers ready. Nice job.
It's like, hey, you been doing this for a while?
Check it.
How many years have you been doing this?
Right lane 27, left. Oh,
Good. Oh my God.
Right ball. I love this
You
car.
up good?
I think it's so cool.
Let me get right. Mike, let me get right behind you.
We have to brush off we have a brush.
When we're done testing, I'll blow the track off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Drivers! Ready? You ready?
Yep.
Both of you? We gotta talk, guys. Drivers ready?
Yep.
Thank you. Oh!
Jersey.
What you gonna do, huh?
Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing. We getting there, baby.
2.8. Left lane uncalculated.
I gotta stand back on this damn line. That ain't happening, baby. All right, y'all. I'm gonna holler. I got to get. Nah.
Drivers ready?
Yeah!
Good job!
Green
Oh,
car.
watch your back. They're gonna have to put something over here.
Drivers
Someone's gonna get
ready?
hurt.
That should be all let out. Track is down, fellas. Track is down. Back to your cars, baby.
He's got more than one.